it's adorable. I found this.
Oh, tree. Damn it, push.
Of all things, a bush.
Tree, damn it, bush. Rocks, cliffside. Oh, damn it, it turned. Oh, shit sucks. Why did it have to turn? Oh. Rat loader. Oh, damn it.
Almost made it.
Wish. Rain. Rock. Not quite what I was going for. Ooh, look. Look!
Oh! If you were a little bit lower, you would have clipped Ben's head.
I'm facing, like, I'm looking, my screen is showing where the train is going. All I see is part of the body of a car go through my screen.
Please tell me you got that at least.
Yep.
Like I said, all I saw was a little bit. I'm hoping Jesse got it.
Yeah, I got it. I was watching the whole thing.
Okay, good.
Oh, jeez! Did not see that coming.
What happened to Jesse?
So, Josh happened to Jesse. That's what happened. I got that.
What did I just miss?
Great. I just see Josh come into frame and Jesse's body go.
That's a double head. Impacted
All I
perfectly.
saw was fucking Jesse flying.
I was watching the back of the train. Next thing I know, I'm flying off the train.
I saw Josh's truck come into frame and Jesse's body go.
Okay, so we need everybody's perspective, and we'll make one video.
The train has gone, and all I see is Jesse's body go shooting across my screen. What?
Yeah, we'll need everybody's perspective.
Go!
Oh, Jesus!
Oh my God!
I caught that.
I got that from the backside here.
I landed behind Ben and drove forward and smacked
Yeah,
him.
I just watched Ben get run over by a truck on top of the train.
I was like, we're out of the tunnel. I should probably turn around.
Alright, I gotta tape the clips. The clip of Josh coming into frame, taking Jesse out, and then I'll make a trim of Josh landing on the train and running Ben over. Oh God, cop car.
Oh.
Not quite sure what just happened there, but I'll accept it the way it worked.
And this is the beauty of live streaming. I don't have to worry about saving clips because I know Twitch will save it for me.
Yeah. I have a Twitch account with my other name. I have to make one for this name.
You can link, dude. You can link it to this name.
Oh look! There's a Jesse. Whop! Oh no, that's the side of the train. My baby.
Oh, oh, Josh.
Josh, you missed.
That was a perfect ramp too.
Yeah, it was. I saw that. I love how Jesse is the point of target.
Yeah.
That would have been a good ramp right there.
Yeah, we were on the wrong side of things. Now we're gonna come over here and all the ramps are gonna go to the other side.
Yep. Nope.
Yeah. Hey, I get an A for effort, okay?
No, sir. You get an S for effort.
I'm using this as like a skateboard trick.
Yeah, you keep landing it every time. Oh jeez.
Oh.
I thought you were gonna get
I
wedged
would have died
between
if we got
cars.
stuck on the side right there, Curtis.
I thought I was going to. I really thought I was going to stick in the side of that backwards.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, they didn't time it right. That would have been another good one there. This one might be good. Oh! Nope. That was kind of scary. I watched that the whole way.
720, word.
Oh.
That bridge. This is the same bridge that I almost lost my life last time.
Yep.
Oh, well, that was pretty cool.
Nice
That was pretty
job,
cool.
Josh.
Oh man. Oh man.
Oh jeez.
Oh, I wish this truck wasn't so dead. I gotta call mine. If this would have been perfect, I would have been like.
It would have been perfect.
Oh no 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 no.
Yeah, you know what happens when you do that, Josh.
Yeah, you get wedged somehow and die.
I'm waiting to get to another low tunnel or something, and
Oh, that didn't work, Josh.
this might be a low tunnel. I might fall off.
Josh, I'm calling my mechanic. Nope.
Nope, I'm
We're
okay
too
in
far
this
away from
tunnel.
the road at this point.
Yep.
Guys, push the train. Make the train go faster.
Can I help?
Just like I'm out.
That was actually accident. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh,
Here's
no,
the
I know
big
exactly
bridge.
what this is.
Big
Oh
bridge.
god! Oh god! Oh god!
Oh jeez. Oh no.
Oh, I saved it. I did everything I could to teeter-totter that fucking railing. Don't worry,
All I seen
okay.
was Curtis's attempts to stay on the bridge, and then Josh just tilts
I'm
over
gonna
and
call
falls.
mine, and you're gonna call yours, and then we'll have custom boards that are actually fast.
It would
I
have been
did
better if you
everything I
both
could.
fell.
No, I stayed on. That was the best part.
Mechanic.
Oh, come on. Enough already.
Stand game. There's another gamer in there. The best thing ever. Alright, there's mine.
Did it again. Same spot, too.
Yep.
Go, Josh. I'm just gonna ride with you.
But yours is right there.
I'm alright with you.
No!
You found the creeps.
Yeah,
Literally.
I was hoping for this right here. Like,
With two trucks, there's twice the fun. Now we gotta find
One
the
more
train.
vehicle that I have to watch out for.
Murder.
there is a helilopper inbound. This might get painful.
Is he coming this way? No, he's going the other way.
If need, I'll jump out and fucking use a homing missile on him.
I guess you could always do that. It's just
Yeah, I could do that.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, she's standing on the
Uh-oh,
train.
uh-oh, ow!
Curtis,
Oh,
Or not.
I'm off the train. Get back up. Oh no! I'm not on the train anymore. I need a ride.
Oh, okay. Turn around.
This guy's like, yeah, not anymore, buddy. Not
hi.
anymore.
Hi.
Oh, that's a
Whoa!
train.
Whoa!
So I guess it's okay for him to eat dinner, but me and to have that shit for his lunch, but I just don't get nothing.
Oh, how do I get through this fence?
Like that.
Okay, well, I just need a ride, so I was trying to get to that truck.
Oh god, we're interlocked.
Okay, now you just need to drop me off in front of the train so I can get back on. Oh, jeez.
I gotta find the train.
Oh, keep going.
Yep.